So, how to load your Adobe from the last session from where you have closed it? I know आप में से काफ़ी लोग इस चीज़ को फेस कर रहे होंगे. Even I was facing it from the past few days, but I have found a solution. So today I want to share with you. My name is Rajat. Welcome to. तो सेटिंग काफ़ी सिंपल सी है. आपको क्या करना, आपने अडोब को ओपन कर लीजिए. यू हैव टू गो टू एडिट, गो टू प्रेफरेंसेस, and under this general tab, just find out where is this open PDFs from last session on Adobe Acrobat launch. So इसे enable कर लीजिए if it is disabled. सिर्फ इसको enable करने से you will be seeing the PDF that you have opened, but you will not get redirected to the same page that you was viewing in the last session. So how to enable that? You need to go to documents. When you are in documents, you need to enable this setting as well. So just check mark it. Restore last view settings when reopening documents. Now scroll down and click on OK. So if I open, for example, this PDF here, and if I go to some specific page, for example here, I'm reading this. Okay, cool. I want to close it. Closed it. अगर मैं इसे दोबारा ओपन करता हूँ, then I must be viewing the same PDF, and that too with the same page I was before. I hope you like this video, and if you are facing some other problem, let me know in the comments and let me see if I can help you with anything. So this is Rajat signing off from Byte the Code, and I'll see you in the next video.